guys, I'm Kara. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making rosemary dinner rolls. Perfect for Thanksgiving. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Today we're going to need bread flour, water, softened butter, yeast, salt, sugar, and dried rosemary. First, start by letting your yeast bloom by combining your water, sugar, and yeast in a large bowl. Then wait 5 minutes for your yeast to activate. Now add your butter, salt, rosemary, and 3 out of 4 cups of flour. With your dough hook attachment, mix until the dough pulls from the sides, gradually adding the last cup of flour, a 1/4 cup at a time. Once your dough pulls from the sides, turn up your speed and knead for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of kneading, remove your dough from the bowl and let rise covered in a greased bowl for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn over on a floured cutting board. Now divide into 15 equal parts. Roll each piece of dough into a ball and set into a greased, oven-safe dish. Cover and let rise for another 30 minutes. During the second rise, preheat your oven. After After the final rise, brush with melted butter and bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove from the oven and brush with melted butter once more. Serve warm. I hope you enjoy.